Welcome students, let me continue our next class on trigonometry, that is in continuation question number 21 here. See, we need to prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4 x here. See, let us consider the left hand side part here. LHS is equal to tan 4x is there here. See, this one I can write it as tan of 2 into 2x. Okay, now at this stage let me use the result. Tan 2x is equal to, use this result, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x. Recall this formula, or tan 2a equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square here. I would like to use this formula here at this stage. This is equal to 2 is there in the rule. Tan x, don't write x. In place of x, 2x is there. In place of x, 2x is there. So you write 2x whole divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Tan square 2x. See, once again it needs to use the formula tan 2x. This is equal to 2 into tan 2x formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus tan 2x to the power 2. So as a result it becomes 2 into tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, which is raised to the power 2 here. Next it needs to simplify this. This is equal to 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is equal to 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is one thing. And then divided by 1 minus tan square x. See, 1 minus tan square x to the power 2. This comes here. 1 minus tan square x bracket square whole divided by 1 minus tan square x, which is raised to the power 2, minus, see, 1 minus tan square x is raised to the power 2 minus 2 tan x to the power 2, minus 2 tan x to the power 2, that is 2 tan x to the power 2 whole divided by 1 minus tan square x to the power 2. 1 minus tan square x, which is raised to the power 2. So let us simplify this. Somewhat little bit tricky the simplifications. Please concentrate properly. 4 tan x, this is 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x into 1 minus tan square x to the power 2 you take to the numerator. This is 1 minus tan square x, which is raised to the power 2, divided by 1 minus tan square x to the power 2, 1 minus tan square x, which is raised to the power 2, minus 4 tan square x, minus of 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x, isn't it? Let us simplify this. This is equal to, see, at this stage, this is 1 minus tan square x, one term and two terms are there. One of the term you can cancel. And what remains in the numerator, this is equal to, you will get 4 tan x bracket, only 1 minus tan square x remains. Please concentrate here. One of the term from the denominator, 1 minus tan square x, will be cancelled here. Square is there, two terms are there, one of the term cancels. And then in the denominator what remains? This is 1 minus tan square x to the power 2. Here at this stage, this is a and then this is b, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab formula. Okay. According to that, 1 square is 1 only, plus b square, that is tan square x to the power 2, tan square x to the power 2, a square plus b square, 1 square a square plus b square, minus 2ab, minus 2 into 1 into tan square x, into tan square x. Okay. Next, lastly, what is there? 4 tan square x is there, minus 4 into tan square x. Is it clear? Now this is equal to 4 into tan x, 4 tan x, minus 4 tan x into tan square x, 4 tan cube x, tan cube x. I don't know whether it will be cancelled or what we need to prove actually. Say 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x is the numerator. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Keep it as it is. Because numerator in the right RHS is in this manner, 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Whole divided by 1 plus tan 4th x. According to the indices properties, tan 4th x minus 2 tan square x. Again minus 4 tan square x. You can write directly, you know. You can add these two. Minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x. You can add like terms. 6 tan square x. Is it your RHS? 1 plus tan 4th x. Check here. 1 minus 6 tan square x. Yes, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4th x. It is there. This is equal to 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x. 1 minus 6 into tan square x. Lastly, you write plus tan 4th x. So this is what it seems to be the right hand side of the problem here. Have you followed the solution? It's somewhat easy if you are familiar with the simplification. Next question is here. This is also somewhat lengthy. It needs lot of patience to work with this problem. Now let me take the LHS part, and even it is an important example also. Cos square x plus cos square of x plus pi by 3 and then plus cos square of x minus pi divided by 3. This is what your left hand side. See, you needs to use the result cos square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is what the result you have. Take minus 1 to this side. It becomes 1 plus cos, it is cos 2x, not cos square x. Cos 2x equal to the result is there like this. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. And hence 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x you will get. Okay. If you simplify for cos square x, it becomes 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 you will get here. 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 you will get here. This rule I would like to apply 3 times. Cos square of x is there, cos square of some angle, again cos square of some angle. Okay. So this is equal to, be careful. Things are very delicate. Patience ನಿಂದ observation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Repeatedly ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Straight forward, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Next, again 1 plus cos 2x, that is 2 into x means x plus pi by 3. Okay, whole divided by 2. Again 1 plus cos of 2 into bracket x minus pi by 3 divided by 2. I have applied the same formula cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 3 times. But for the second and third situation, the angle is not simply x. Instead of that, x plus pi by 3 and one more x minus pi by 3. This change you must note. Okay. Now in the next step of calculation, two changes I would like to do. 1 by 2, that is 2 is there in the denominator, that I would like to take outside. One change. Secondly, I would like to multiply 2 inside this bracket. This is the second change. With this change, what happens we see here. Take 1 by 2 entirely outside. First term remains what? 1 plus cos 2x remains. Here in the second case, what remains? 1 you write plus, I told you already, 2 you needs to multiply inside. Cos of 2x plus 2 pi by 3. 2x plus 2 pi by 3. Next, 1 plus 1 plus cos of 2x minus 2 pi divided by 3. Where all these 2 have gone? 2 is taken common. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ತೆಗೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ. So 1 by 2 as it is into bracket. 1 is added 3 times. 1, 2, this is 3. 3 times you need to add 1. So 3 you write plus cos 2x. Next cos of 2x plus 2 pi by 3. 2x plus 2 pi by 3. And then plus cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Now it is the time to use the result cos c plus cos d. See, take this as cos c and then this as cos d. You keep 3 plus cos 2x and this 1 by 2 outside as it is. ಈ ನಂತರದ ಎರಡು ಪದಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, cos of 2x plus 2 pi by 3 and cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 3, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ cos c plus cos d ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಬಳಸೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಳಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 1 by 2 bracket, this is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 3 is there and then cos 2x is there. Write these two terms as it is plus cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d divided by 2. 2 into cos of 2x plus 2 pi by 3, no, it is 2 pi by 3 and then plus d, that is 2x minus 2 pi by 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, 2 cos c plus d divided by 2. Next again into cos is there, c minus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d, that is 2x plus 2 pi by 3. After applying negative sign to the second angle, it becomes minus 2x plus 2 pi by 3. Okay, and this is to be divided by 2 according to a rule and close the bracket. Very interesting aspect here. I have applied cos c plus cos d formula for this. See, c plus d, 2x plus pi by 3 plus 2x minus pi by 3. That's what I have written. Next c minus d. 1 by 2 you write outside as it is. 3 plus cos 2x. Next 2 into, see what happens. Plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 cancels. 2x plus 2x leads to how much? 4x. If you divide 4x by 2, what you are getting? 2x you are getting. Okay. And hence what you need to write? Only 2 cos 2x you need to write. Okay. Into cos of plus 2 by 3 and this minus 2 by 3 cancels. Plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 cancels. You write, sorry, what I have done? Not this one. Plus 2x and minus 2x cancels. Plus 2x and then minus 2x cancels. Plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 add up. See, this is leading to how much here? 2 times 2 pi by 3 2 times 2 pi by 3 it is. But this is as a whole divided by 2. So this 2 cancels, remains what? Only 2 pi by 3 remains. So cos of 2 pi by 3, right? Cos 2 pi divided by 3. Okay. This is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 into cos 2x into cos of pi minus pi by 3. This is leading to 2 pi by 3. Apply allied angle property and simplify. This is equal to 1 by 2 bracket 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x into what you are going to write? Cos 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, ratio remains same definitely, that is cos pi by 3. But it is in the second quadrant. Cos is negative. So minus cos pi by 3. Okay. This is equal to 1 by 2, 3 plus cos 2x. And then this is plus into minus, it is becoming minus 2 cos 2x. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So what happens? This 2 cancels. 2 and 2 cancels. Plus cos 2x and minus cos 2x. Again these 2 cancels entirely. Remains what? 1 by 2 into bracket 3 remains. So this is leading to 1 by 2 into bracket 3. So the answer is 3 by 2. This is what the required RHS here. And this completes the solution for this example. Now let me continue one more very interesting and simple example based on multiple and submultiple angle property. Let me take the LHS part. The LHS part follows like this: sin cube x plus sin 3x divided by sin x. Okay, and then cos cube x minus cos 3x is there, divided by cos x. This is your left hand side. Now I would like to use the formula for sin 3x and then cos 3x. Straight away different formulae are there, multiple angle properties are there here. Use those multiple angle properties for sin 3x and cos 3x. So this is simply sin cube x plus 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is what? Sin 3x. Okay. You divide it by sin x. Divide by sin x. Next you write plus cos cube x minus, what is, you put the bracket here, cos 3x formula, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x minus 3 cos x. This is what the rule here. This is to be divided by cos x here. Okay. See students, 1 sin cube x minus 4 sin cube x. You are getting minus 3 sin cube x here. So I would like to write 3 sin x minus 3 sin cube x divided by sin x. See, next plus is there here. See, minus into minus plus 3 cos x. Plus 3 cos x I would like to write first. Okay. Next you see carefully. Minus 4 cos cube x plus 1 cos cube x means 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 cos cube x here. Whole divided by cos x. In the next step of calculation, you take sin x common in the numerator. If you take sin x common, 3 minus sin square x remains. If you take sin x common, 3 minus sin square x remains. Whole divided by sin x. See whether it is correct or not. I have taken sin x outside. Okay. 3 remains minus 3 sin square x. Even you can take 3 also, no? 3 sin x. You do one thing. Take entirely 3 sin x. If you take 3 sin x remains what? You see here. 1 minus sin square x remains. 1 minus sin square x. Divided by what you are going to write? 3. Not 3, only sin x is there. Sin x is there here. This is sin x. Next, what is there here? Plus is there, you write plus, and then what you want to take common? 3 cos x you take common here. Plus, write as it is, 3 cos x. If you take common, what you can write? 1 remains, minus cos square x remains. 1 minus cos square x. Whole divided by cos x is there, and write that cos x as it is. Divided by cos x here. Now, what happens? This is sin x and sin x cancels. Cos x and cos x cancels. Multiply 3 inside. 3 minus 3 sin square x plus 3 minus 3 cos square x. Common ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ only sin x ಮಾತ್ರ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ರು ನಡೀತಿತ್ತು. ಇರಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 plus 3 is 6. You take 3 common. Remains what? Sin square x plus cos square x remains. Observe here. If you take from these two terms, I have taken 3 common. Sin square x plus cos square x remains. Its value is 1, you know already. So 3 into it is 1 here because of the first identity. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So this is equal to RHS. And this completes the solution for this example. Okay, let us move to the next example. Let me take into consideration the LHS part, which is given by tan 45 plus A. This is a tan 45 minus A. Direct ಆಗಿನೇ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B formula ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Tan of A plus B equal to tan A, that is tan 45, plus tan B, that is tan A, divided by 1 minus tan 45, that is tan A into tan B. Tan B means, in this case it is tan A itself. Same link again, but the formula is tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. In this case it is not minus. 1 plus tan 45 into tan A. Let us simplify this. This is 1 plus tan A. This is 1 minus tan A because tan 45 degree value is 1. And then this is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A. Okay. Now let us simplify this. You take LCM. 1 plus tan A cross multiplied. Here 1 minus tan A cross multiplied. So this becomes square and this becomes square, divided by 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A. This is equal to 1 plus tan A bracket square plus of 1 minus tan A bracket square whole divided by 1 minus tan A into bracket 1 plus tan A. So this is what after simplification. So expand the numerator by using the formula A plus B whole square, that is 1 square, 1 only, plus tan square A plus 2 tan A. Okay. Next, divided by what is there? Sorry, next 1 minus tan square A is there. Expand it. Again 1 plus tan square A, but the next term becomes minus 2 tan A according to your rule. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB result. That is used. Okay. Divided by 1 minus tan square, it is A plus B, A minus B, 1 minus tan square A. See what happens. We can eliminate plus 2 tan a and minus 2 tan a. 1 plus 1 leads to 2, tan square a plus tan square a leads to 2 tan square a. This is equal to 2 plus 2 tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a remains. Okay, take 2 common, remains what? 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a. But our result is sec to a, so still you need to simplify this here. 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a, you can replace, but 1 minus tan square a, there is no option. This is equal to 2 into sec square a, you write directly, divided by 1 minus sin square a divided by cos square a, you can write here. Okay, now this is equal to 2 sec square a divided by cos square a minus sin square a, cos square a minus sin square a, cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a, divided by cos square a. Okay, cos square a. Okay, see, write 2 sec square a as it is, divided by 1 you write, nothing means. Take this cos square a to the numerator, this is cos square a. Okay, whole divided by cos square a minus sin square a leads to cos 2a, cos 2a. Now the product of these two leads to 1, because sec and cos are reciprocal to each other. And then otherwise you do one thing, one step you can do like this. 2 write as it is, sec square a can be written as 1 by cos square a. Okay, see, this sec square a can be written as 1 by cos square a, into cos square a you write as it is, into cos square a, divided by 1 you write. 1 upon cos 2a is there, no, take it to the numerator, that becomes sec 2a. Okay, now it is the time to eliminate cos square a and cos square a, that is how they become 1. 2 sec 2a, that is what we need. This is equal to 2 into sec 2a, and this is the required right hand side. So this completes the solution for this example, and let me take into consideration the next question and the last question in this discussion here. Sin 2a formula you needs to use, and cos 2a formula you needs to use. First of all, you write the LHS part. LHS part is sin a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus cos a. Okay, what is the formula for sin 2a? Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Use that. 2 times sin a into cos a divided by 1 plus cos 2a is there. 1 plus cos 2a. You better use the result 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. One more is there, 1 minus 2 sin square. ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ 1 ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನನಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ 2 cos square a minus 1. Next, plus cos a is there. Write this as it is. Now it is the time to eliminate plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Along with this, what change you can do at this stage? Sin a can be taken outside. By doing so, what happens? Sin a if you take outside, 1 remains plus 2 cos a. 2 cos a remains. Whole divided by 2 cos square a plus cos a is there. Out of that, you take cos a common. By doing so, 2 cos a remains. 2 cos a remains plus 1. Okay. Sin a by cos a is tan a. This is equal to tan a into, see, this is 1 plus 2 cos a divided by again 1 plus 2 cos a. 1 plus 2 cos a. Now it is the time to eliminate 1 plus 2 cos A, 1 plus 2 cos A entirely. Remains what? Tan A remains. This is equal to tan A, and this is your required RHS here. Okay. Okay students, this completes the planned trigonometric functions, or simply trigonometry, not only functions. The first view, trigonometry, entire concepts I have covered. Actually, if you refer old books, trigonometric equations are there. You don't get confused. Some syllabus is reduced to this year. Accordingly, I have covered. And apart from this, on every concept, some additional questions I have posted to you. So you work out those additional questions along with this. It is more than sufficient for the examination point of view. I hope you followed all the discussions made in this video lesson. And please share the video link to your friends also, so that your friends will be benefited. And it is a simple help for your friends to study the difficult aspects here. So this is actually for our rural students, those students who come from Kannada medium. It seems to be somewhat difficult for you. But once if you enter through the subject, it is very interesting and an enjoyable moment for you. Okay. So please, once again, I'll request to subscribe my channel and to share the video link to your friends to just to inform the knowledge here. So let us meet you with another important topic in the next class.